Okay, you may remember from the slides, you can get into the choice of 10 system by pressing this allocation system. What you'll do then is see all the titles that are available. So I'm just going to talk you through mine, and some other staff may be able to put similar videos up. So here we have this series, all with Paul Hulbert against them. Again, you can click on Paul Hulbert to see me and my page, and click on this number here to look at the title. So have a look here, let's pick a random one. So this one here is Preventing a Repeat of the Sheffield 2000 Flood by Existing Reservoir Management. So the description will tell you a little bit about it. This project involves a detailed analysis of the existing reservoirs that are used for storing water prior to treatment as a mechanism of minimising the risk while still maintaining reservoir stocks for treatment. There'll be various things you've got to do. Flood studies report will help. You've got to look at the catchment areas, rainfall projections, and look at available storage. You'd have to look at those calculations, what drinking water requirements were, and model the storage through the year, and then come up with some recommendations. So it's going to be highly numerical, but it's also going to be practical in terms of it's about a real thing, a real area of Sheffield. Just a quick example. I'll do one more example. Low cost, easy to build pedestrian bridges. So this is a design of a bridge, but the difference is it's going to be low cost and easy to build. So we take access for granted, but in many remote areas that isn't true, especially when rivers are high, which can be seasonal. This is to investigate the possibilities of producing a low cost, simple to build solution for a remote area using potentially remote labour and not the usual kind of plant and machinery you would have available. The research would include what is currently used and why, and then look at one solution, at least one solution, with the full design and method of transportation and erection. So it's as much about putting the whole thing into practice as it is about the design. For some inspiration, for references, if you look at the Bridges Prosperity, that's a charity who actually do go and build bridges in remote areas. You could have a look at what they do, and this is a slightly different brief to what they do. And then some more information here, so calculations or hand, or you could use computer modelling if you wanted to. In either case, you've got to think about the temporary conditions during erection and maintenance. So I'm not going to go through them all, but you can see through the titles what kind of thing that is available, and if you click in, you can get the idea of the extra detail. Feel free to do this for all other staff.